Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Marlene Delucian. I am 31 years old. I have 2 kids, 6 years old and 4 years old. My religion is Iglesia Filipina Independiente, and I am the 4th youngest of my family, 1 brother and 3 sisters.
Are you married?
No, ma'am.
You have partner?
Yes, ma'am.
How long you've been together?
7 years old.
7 years. And what is your educational attainment?
College level.
What course you took up before?
BA Sociology.
Are you an ex-abroad?
No.
So do you have any experience before here in the Philippines? For how long?
2 years, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve?
3 years, ma'am.
How many members?
3
members of the family.
members, ma'am.
Okay. Who are the 3 members?
1 couple and 1 son.
How old the son?
11.
11 years old.
Yes.
Okay. What did you do as their helper?
I clean the room and washing the dishes and cooking and marketing.
Okay, you clean the room, and how about the house? The whole house you clean also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you go to market how often in a week?
1 week.
Once a week.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To help my husband
For your family.
for my family, ma'am, and to my children, ma'am.
Who will look for your kids if you're going to Hong Kong?
My husband, ma'am.
Your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to look for a newly born baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing also to take care of elderly in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept job order that your day off is only falls on weekdays, no Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
Maybe 2 years.
Why maybe? What if your employer still need you?
As long as my employer.
So as long your employer needs you, you will work with them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I am trustworthy and hardworking person. I hope you will choose me, ma'am and sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much. HL 2280.